got a train just come in. It's going to be the 1549 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly. And that would be calling at Reading, Oxford, Banbury, Leamington Spa, Coventry, Birmingham International, Birmingham Street, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Stockton, Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. 221134 I think I saw. I'm going to double check the number in a minute when it leaves. Now it's the Polharian NB 1549 cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly. Cheers for the honk from 222134. Double 08. Thanks for the driver for a lovely honk.